Oh, it's so hot. It's gonna be even hotter tomorrow. It's hot in the night and it's gonna be hotter tomorrow in the day. Oh, it's so hot here. I don't feel comfortable. I don't feel so good. I don't feel so good. Hey, did they tell you we're going to the beach tomorrow? No, we're not. It's just endless hotness. We're going to the beach tomorrow. So get ready, get your clothes ready, and yeah, you don't have any clothes. Beach day tomorrow? What time are we waking up? It's 6, Nini. Yes! Yes! Finally, it was getting hot in the room all the time. Ugh. I can't wait to get my clothes. Oh wait, I'm not Cody. I mean Toady. I need to switch character. Get, beach day, get. What should I bring for beach day tomorrow? I don't have any clothes. Alright, I'm gonna just go to sleep now. Cause I can't wait. Wait, I can't go to sleep. I can't. It's so hot, I can't. Okay. How am I gonna... Bowser Jr., come here, you little pieces of crap. What do you want? Oh, can you knock me out with this hammer? Why? Just do it, you little piece of crap. You're so useless. You can't even knock me out with the hammer. That's what you get. Don't call me useless. I'm gonna break your skull next time. Probably did already. Get on my face next time, Lemmy. Give me this hammer. I'm gonna knock out Toady. I got the horses in the back. Horse is attached. Right in the back. Got the booster in the back. Right in the horse. You can bring your horse. I've been in the valley. I never rest. Ain't nobody tell me nothing. Oh, where am I? Why does my head hurt?
You guys wouldn't wake up, so I had to bring you to the car.
Wait! If you're here, we're all here. Who's driving?
Oh no, Nina.
Finally, we're here at the beach. Get your doll away from my face. This is not SML.
What? It's not gay.
Stop playing with sand.
Hey, is your name Lenny or something like that?
Lemon. Just call me
okay,
Lemon.
Hey, look at I grew a weenie.
Okay.
Yeah. You guys want to go to
No one cares about your doll.
You guys want to go to the water?
Yeah, let's go to the water. Let's go water.
My dog.
Your doll is disgusting. Yes, we're here. The beach. Hey, hold up.
I'm so slow.
Yeah, because you're a fat apple. Oh my crap!
What happened to my dad?
Your dad's bones are like gone. He wished for no bones. Hey, what happened to your stick? How did that get over here?
I threw it.
I know.
Why'd you grab a stick?
Hey, you guys want to go in the water?
I said leave a freaking toy! I don't want to go to the water. We're not even going to the water. Okay, fine. Let's go to water. There.
Oh, look at these holes.
Those holes.
Leave that freaking toy.
What the hell is wrong with your face?
This is a black. This is a black.
Copyright. Oh, that's disgusting. Yeah, you go over there, you little piece of...
Almost gay.
Emma's gay.
Hey.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's so cold. Wait, we're not even touching in the water. Yeah, I want to see a cannonball.
Alright, as soon as this wave comes.
Okay.
I'm black.
Alright. I'm ready. I'm ready. Come at me, waves!
Bruh.
Are you ready, Dad? I mean, Lemon?
Lemon? Yeah, I'm ready, you little piece. Look!
Oh my god.
Oh, he's not.
Here. 3, 2, 1, go!
Bowser Jr., why does your voice sound different? Let's ask that little kid over there if he plays Fortnite. Ow!
That's a girl.
That's a girl? Oh, crap. Okay, we're back here, but you better not break your bones next time.
I'm black.
Oh! Oh! Oh, that was fun, actually. I'm beached up. What happened to you, boy?
Hey, wanna see me get pushed by the wind?
Sure.
Let's go.
Oh, okay. Where are we going? Okay, Toady. We're gonna dig you up, alright?
Alright.
We're totally not gonna leave you down.
He's a man.
Hurry up, come here, boy. Oh, hurry up. Dig him, dig him.
Let me Cody.
Get to
Let me Cody. Dig up Cody.
That face. We're digging up your eyes.
You have glasses.
Just kidding. We're gonna kill you. You're gonna.
You're
Wait, is he already dead? He's not talking. Oh shoot! We killed him already. Oh no! Oh, say something nice. Say something nice.
We gotta hide the body.
Say something nice.
We gotta hide the
You
body.
were always stupid, Cody. Toady.
We gotta hide the body.
Hide the body! No! Hide the body! Oh! I said hide the freaking body! We're gonna get caught! I don't care! Oh! You no! We're gonna die! We're gonna rot!
Oh, he's still alive.
We're gonna rot in prison!
Oh no!
What the?
It's so
Oh, he's alive!
No, it's so alive.
He's alive? You have a mustache? Oh, I can't wait to go in the water. That's so fun. Oh, good thing I know how to swim. Oh, you fat apple. Oh, wait. Oh, what? Oh, you look disgusting. Oh, bro. Guys, I think I feel like drowning.
Hey, Liti.
What, pee-pee?
Alright, Leppy.
Okay.
So, I bet you $100 I'll jump in that beach, and that whole beach, I bet you I can make it disappear with my giant tsunami.
No, I know you can make it disappear. So I bet you $100 that it will disappear.
Okay, sure. Alright. So, 3, I'm gonna jump in.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Dang it, I owe him $100. If I run now, he'll never find me. He'll never find me if I run now. So if I run now, I don't have to owe him $100. I need to run now. I need to run now. Oh my god. What the hell? How'd you catch up? Give me $100.
Me too.
No, get out of here. You owe me $100. No, don't you dare leave. Or else
I'll give you at home.
You better, because then I'm gonna make a massive fart with my
Scared.
butthole.
I'm scared. That happened before. I almost died.
I feel like peeing my pants.
So,
Okay, at home.
water.
Okay.
Or sand.
Please help me, God. I caught a big fish. Everyone, look, a fish. Stop, that's my fish.
Hey, can I have some of that fish?
Sure.
Alright.
No, all of it.
Alright. Thanks for the fish.
No! Screw you. Yeah, Bowser. There's no point in living. I'm gonna just bury myself. What's the point in living? They
eating.
took my fish. They took my fish.
Yo, here, Tony.
Just suffocate me with the sand. No. Can you bring me to the water, not throw me?
Yeah.
I said not throw me.
Hey,
What?
remember what I told you about the $100?
Yeah.
You never gave it to me.
I should have! I should have! Hey, Toady,
What?
you, like, can I bury
How
the
did you
toy?
manage to survive
No
that?
way. Oh! Hello, guys. Stop collecting it.
Leave that
No,
toy.
give it back.
Where's the mommy?
I'm collecting it.
That's what you get for not giving me my $100. Now you can smell this. Let me tell you something. I haven't wiped in 1 year.
Well, that's cool. I want to do that.
Okay, guys, we're about to go home. And Fat Boy left the chat. He's trying to find me to get his $100. But so far I did. Yeah. I need to hide. He's never gonna find me here. No. Are you okay?